Hey. What the hell is that?
It's water.
What, are you cheating on me?
No, I'm not cheating on you. We agreed. You had me on weekends.
But you know you want me.
It doesn't matter what I want, okay? I have to function in society. This is real life.
We have such a good time together.
No, we have a good time together, okay? You're not making this easy for me. This is what's good for me. Can't you just accept that?
But what about what's good for us? I know you love me.
Yeah, and I wanted to die yesterday. I couldn't stop shaking. I'm addicted to you. Okay, is that what you want to hear? You want me to say I'm addicted to you?
Yes?
Wait 4 days.
4 days is so long.